Hi guys, I want to give you lecture about the basic fundamental of economy. So the basic fundamental, this will be helping you. Basically, you all know this, but in terms of definition, in terms of understanding, this will be helpful uh, going forward in your career. So what is economy? So economy, each individual has to contribute service to the society where he lives. So basically, each individual is bestowed with a different skill. So each one has to offer their service, offer his service to the society, and so in terms of it can be a service, it can be agriculture, it can be anything. So he has to offer his service. He should able to find the person who is willing to buy in return. That is called barter system. So the opposite person will offer some service which he is in need, and that will be given by the opposite person, and basically the exchange of goods happen. So in barter system, what happens is one person is offering one service, other person is offering other service, they exchange the service. So basically the needs of the two people is fulfilled. So this is what happens. Later barter system was replaced by the money. The money is one of the reason we, what happens is it gives the ability to store the service. For example, uh, suppose you have money, it is not necessary that, see, there is possibility that this service you are offering you may not require now, you may require later. So what you are doing is you are selling the offer from your side in exchange of money. So money you will store it, then you will use it later whenever you require. That is the liberty it gives for the person who offering the service, who wants the service. Another basic thing is in Islam, the thing is, Islam mandates each individual mm, has to offer some service of in terms of employment, in terms of agriculture, in terms of service, whatever the service which is acceptable by the other opposite person. So he has to offer, and he has to earn money through righteous way, and satisfy himself. So what happens is you have three set of people. That is, one of the set is, so basically what happens is he is offering the, what Allah mandates the individual is he has to offer the service in order to take some service in return. If he is not offering the service, if he is taking the service, then it's called as miskin. So you are the miskin, that is you are the poor, you are not in a position to offer anything to get that service in return. That means you are getting it free, that means you are miskin, you have some kind of inability, and due to that you are getting the service. That is also right way, that is getting the free service in free, that is no issues. If other person is willing to offer as charity, then no issues. So one of the thing is, one is charity, other one is price. So charity means giving the service with no return. In price you are exchanging something for in return something. But in, if it is not in barter system, you are exchanging with some other good. So this is the difference, and each individual has to offer something. So this is the economy. Basically, in economy, one authority is required, that is government. They has to regulate, because they have to plan the growth. So the thing is, what happens is the demand and supply comes to exist. The thing is, if the supply is excess of demand, then the price will go down. Then the demand is higher than supply, then the price increases. The main responsibility of government is the maintaining the equilibrium of the demand of the goods and the supply of the goods at the macro level. And the next thing is money. The money is responsibility central bank. So they have to produce the right amount of money in the economy, so that the goods exchange among the people is taken care with the limited supply of money. So here their responsibility is to identify the velocity of exchange of goods among the people in order to money supply. That is, money supply basically a paper, printing paper. They print the money out of nothing. The only thing is the government has the rights and the control over the money and the people. That is the reason they are able to print the money. Now that is why new thing is coming